YouTube. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing video over the coilovers that I got and the Camber Kit. And I ordered them roughly a month and a half ago. I didn't think about doing this video until just now, but I thought about it, and yeah, it's a good video idea. So basically, I'm doing an unboxing video. And yeah, so I got the Truhart Street Plex, which is right here, and then I got a brand called the Blox Camber Kit, but it's only the fronts. And so yeah, I get into that in 1 second. So first up, I went ahead and did the Blox brand. These are the front camera kits. I already opened it, obviously, but to look at it, make sure everything was in here. But when you get it, you'll see this. Here you have this. Ball joints, everything that you need. And then give me 1 second and I'll open it. Okay, so here's the arm that you need, what it comes with, and then you got this piece as well. And then you're gonna have all screws and things you need necessary. I took them out the box, out the little paper. I'm gonna put it back. And then what also comes with it is a Blox sticker. I don't think I'm gonna put it on my car, but you know, that's what you're into, you could do that. And next, I'm gonna get to the Camber Kit. Not the Camber Kit, but the coilovers. Alright, so I got the Camber Kit out the way, and this is what I was really excited for, the coilovers, because these aren't the basics, these are the Street Plex, which was an extra $100, I believe. So I spent $530 on these, so for me it was a lot. And so when you open it, this is what I seen. You get the pieces to control adjusting right. You get a paper introducing, you know, what it is, and yeah. And then it's these 4 boxes. Give me 1 second and I'll open one up. Basically, it's got the coilovers inside, and yeah. So here's one of the boxes, and to open it, flip it like that. And here goes the actual coilover. Give me 1 second, I'll take it out, because I'm recording my other hand, so I can't do it, and yeah. So here's the actual coilover. You see the Streets Plus symbol. But I mean, they look real nice. I'm ready to put them in, but I don't have the time right now, because I have school, work, and sports. But whenever I get a chance, I'll do a video on that too, how it looks before and after when it drops. And yeah, but I mean, overall, it's got the other 3 in here too. But they came in pretty quick, and from everything that I heard from my Civic, it'll be just fine. And yeah. So I did forget to mention that it does come with a sticker in the Truhart box, but you're always gonna get a sticker. But yeah, so overall, I mean, you can look at it yourself and see how it is, but I really like it. I'm ready to put it in, but I just don't got the time for it. Here goes this again. But I mean, yeah.